Hi guys, it's Hannah Jo and today I'm going to be bringing you a really exciting video of the Grazia Best of Beauty box. This is in collaboration with Latest in Beauty. This is a really exciting box. It's worth £244 and it costs only £50. It's still available on their website. I will link it down below. As everyone knows, I'm obsessed with Latest in Beauty. I cannot wait every single month to see their Hall of Fame product, what products I'm going to pick for my monthly. My monthly July box will be coming out a couple of days after this video, but this one is the Grazia Best of Beauty. So this is a collection box, it's not one of the monthly boxes, and this is worth £244 and it costs £50. Now, I didn't buy this myself. The girls at work bought this for me as one of my leaving presents, and I love them, and they know that I love Latest in Beauty, so this is a perfect present for me and I'm so grateful. And so let's crack into the box. So can we just take a moment to appreciate how long it took me to put everything back into this box in order and put it back into this sleeve, which was very difficult. Whoever packs these boxes, you know what you're doing because it is so hard to put them back together. It comes in this really nice neon yellow, bright yellow sleeve, and so let's pull the sleeve off. And you get the classic Latest in Beauty box here. Really nice. I love keeping these boxes for storage. They're really sturdy. Oh, and it's all falling out. So you get a couple of little leaflety bits in here. So one which is just all the product details in there. One which is like a discount code, so I will link that down below for you guys. This isn't accredited to me, this is just a general discount code. And then this is one of the products that's in there, but this is like a little discount thing, and this is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, and this is to receive £10 off your next order. So I will also leave that discount code down below for you guys. So as per usual, so it comes like this. And as you can see, like, it is jam packed. Like, this is so heavy, this box. And like I said, this box is worth £244 and it only costs £50. So let's crack in to what is in this box. First things first that jumps out at the top are these two bad boys. These are the LUMITY Day and Night Capsules. Now this is a 7-day supply and you're meant to take 3 in the morning and 3 at night. So it's like a day and night bundle, and together these are worth £21.25, and these are meant to make your skin beautiful, your hair, your nails, strong bones, muscles, joints, teeth, healthy immune system, vitality, brain health, all that good stuff. So I can't wait to try these. Next up we have the BRIOGEO Scalp Revival Shampoo, and this is again a sample size. This is 30 mils, but this is worth £4.10. This is charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. So this says you're meant to pop in your hair as a shampoo, but it's meant to get rid of any skin or product buildup on your scalp, and this is meant to just kind of, you know, refresh everything and make sure everything is nice and clean. So can't wait to try that out. Next up we have two products from Miller & Harris. So we have the Tonique, and that is the body lotion and the shower wash, and these smell divine. I had a little smell of them earlier, and they kind of smell slightly lemony, like a, you know, like a spa lemony smell, like when you're just like fresh. Beautiful. And each one of these is worth £5.50. These are sample size, but they are 50 ml each, so they're perfect for traveling, just popping in your bag. Really good for on the go. So next up we have the Bare Minerals Primetime Original Foundation Primer. Now this primer is again sample size, it is 7 mils, but this size is worth £5.83, so it's not a bad sample size. Let me just pop it out for you. Again, this is really handy for traveling, really handy to pop in your makeup bag if you're going on the go. I've actually got the Bare Minerals Prime Time, but the brightening primer, and I love this primer. I haven't tried the original one, so I'm really excited to try that one. And this is meant to smooth away any dryness, the look of fine lines, excess oil, the appearance of enlarged pores and uneven texture, and this is great for all skin types. Now this product I was so excited to try. This is the By Terry Balm de Rose, and this is a little lip balm. Now the packaging of this, you guys are gonna die. It is so cute. Like, I love miniature packaging. I don't know what it is, but when something's just the same but shrunk down, I'm just, oh, I love it so much. And look how cute this little lip balm is. Like, it is adorable. And in here you've got your lip balm, and this is actually worth £12 and it is 3 grams. This is again a sample size, but a pretty decent sample size to pop in your handbag, again on the go. I love all these kind of products that you can try in your everyday life. You can pop them in your bag. You don't have to buy a full size product, but you can try it out, see if you like it, and then you can buy the full size product if you want to. Next up we have the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. This is again a sample size, but this is worth £5 and this is 2.5 grams. Now I haven't had a look at the packaging of this one, so let's have a little look. Okay, so it's like a little squeezy tube rather than a solid tube. Let's have a look at the wand. Pretty decent size wand there on a sample size. I always have to smell mascaras because I hate mascaras that smell like. And this one smells kind of like caramelly, but I don't mind it. It smells fine. And this is, like I said, worth £5. So this is a pretty decent sample size in my opinion. Next up, this is a full-size product, and this is by a brand that I'm really interested in. They have a lot of good skincare products, body products, face products, and they're all vegan, natural, and that is the kind of vibe that I'm going with my skincare makeup, and something that I'm really researching more and more as to what I'm actually putting on my face. And this is the brand Tropic, and this is full size. I love this packaging because the bottle literally just pops out. It's like a paper sleeve and you can just pop it on. But this is the Hair Smooth Radiance Oil. This is 75 mils and it is full size and it is worth £24. And this is meant to obviously make your hair nice and smooth away any frizziness, and you can actually also use this as a hair treatment before you shampoo, so you can leave it on your hair and let the oils work their magic into your hair. So that I'm really excited about, because my hair is one thing that I struggle with, especially in the humidity or in the winter. My hair gets very dry, very brittle, frizzy, and it's something that I struggle with, so I'm always looking for new oils. And then we have, this is by a brand called Myo, and this is the Liquid Yoga Space Spray. Now this is 53 mils, it is sample size, but it is worth £6.89, and this is like a space spray, so you're meant to just spray it into your room. And I love this because it says warning may cause relaxation and happiness. So let's have a little spray. Oh, maybe not in my face. It's very lavendery, it's very nice, it's very fresh smelling, and it says you can put it on your pulse points, your pillows, your yoga mat, or in the office. It's your rapid mood changer to help calm, de-stress and rebalance. So I love things like that. Now this is a product that I have wanted for years, that everybody talks about and everybody raves about, but for some reason I haven't brought myself to buy it. And that is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now this is a sample size, but let me show you the packaging because it is so cute. And this is 7 mils and it's worth £6.23. Look how cute this little packaging is. Now this I think would last a pretty long time, like it's pretty full up in there, and you only need a tiny bit of this. From what I've seen people use it, like they only use a small amount, and a little goes a long way because it's quite rich. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to use that. That is something that I've always wanted to try, and if I like it then I can buy full size. Now another full size product from this box. Everyone was really excited online about this brand being in the box, and this is Duralique. And this is the Rosewater Balancing Mist. Now this is full size, like I said, and it's 100 mils and it's worth £30. So this is a mist that you're meant to just spritz over your face. So it says this light hydrating mist with precious rose essential oil is designed to help improve skin tone, moisture levels and skin balance. Marshmallow and aloe help to hydrate skin surface. Skin feels hydrated, refreshed and dewy. So it's where it says lightly mist onto face or mist onto hands and gently oh my god, I can't speak. Lightly mist onto face or mist into hands and gently press onto the skin. So that is the bottle, really cute bottle. And let's have a little spritz. Whew, my god, that smells divine. Like, I don't mind a rose smell. I know some people really don't like a rose smell, but I love a rose smell. Like, I just find it so refreshing, so soothing. I love the smell of roses in the house. So that for me is like a perfect scent. Next up, this is a product that I kind of briefly touched on earlier with the little leaflet that came in the box, but this is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Now, everybody absolutely raves about this product. This is a sample size, but it is 40 mils and is worth £8.80. And this, from what I believe, is you're meant to use it before shampooing. Now on here it says before shampooing, wet hair and apply in sections, work in with the fingertips, cover with a cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. For an intensive treatment, apply to damp hair overnight and wash off in the morning. So this is meant to enrich your hair with just loads and loads of goodness and make your hair just kind of more bouncy, more full of life, and that is definitely what I need, so I'm excited. There's 18 products in this box, guys, so bear with me, okay? Next up we have the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is sample size, but it's 7 mils and it's worth £9.80. So this is a pretty decent size and a pretty decent worth. Every single one that in here that is sample size, I feel like is a decent sample size. It's not too small that you can only use it like once or twice. You can definitely get multiple uses out of all of these products, and that's what I love about Latest in Beauty. Like, I don't want sachets. I don't want things I can just try once and be like, I need something I can try for maybe a week, 2 weeks, and see if they work. So this is meant to brighten, be anti-aging, all-day hydration. This is for all skin types. This is collagen boosted with True C complex. So this Truth Serum apparently infuses skin with potent antioxidants. This powerful serum helps brighten, firm, revive and smooth skin. It's like a daily multivitamin for a healthy looking radiant old glow. And that is what I love, that is what I need. Let's look at the packaging. I can't wait to try this. Oh, it's sealed, of course it is. We'll go in from the bottom. And it's got a nice little pamphlet in there for information of what's in the product. And this is like a really cute little pump. Love a pump on skincare products. It's more hygienic rather than putting your fingers in things. Love a pump, so can't wait to try that. Next up, another full-size product, and this is the Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Hand Cream. Now this is the Aromatic Repair and Brighten Hand Cream, and everybody knows that I suffer from hand eczema. I've suffered for years and years and years. I'm allergic to a lot of things. This is a really natural product, and I've looked through the ingredients and I can't see anything in there that I'm actually allergic to, which is a godsend. So I will definitely be trying this, and this is worth £28. This is full size, it's 75 mils. Let's have a look at the packaging. Oh, stunning gold. Let's put a little bit on the hands, see what it smells like. Love that it's just like a little squeezy tube. You've just got the little thing that you can just screw on the end. Not going to have any mishaps in the handbag of the lid popping off. Oh, it smells really nice, like really kind of like essential oils, really soothing, really calming. There's no burning occurring, so that's always a good sign. So I'm excited to pop that in my handbag and have that for the daily. Next up we have the Lancaster Tan Maximizer. This is a sample size, but again this is 50 mils and this is worth £8.80, so a decent size. And this is meant to repair your skin after you've been out in the sun, if you've tanned, to keep your skin nice and soft and to make sure you prolong your tan. So that is perfect for the summer. Next up we have the Eve Lom Cleanser. Now I love this brand. Like, I've tried a couple of products from this brand and I absolutely love it. And this is 20 mils, but it's worth £11. So this is a sample size, but it's worth £11. So decent sample size. And it's got the little cap there. And this is like an oil cleanser, I believe. So like one that you kind of pull out, rub in. Oh my God, that smells so nice. It's got like a really, I don't know whether it's the hand cream like mixing in. It's just got like a really subtle smell to it, but a really nice smell. I don't know what it reminds me of, but it reminds me of something, so I'm excited to try that. This has really good reviews online, so. Next up we have the Bumble and Bumble Texture Spray. Now this is the Dry Spun Texture Spray, and this is meant to add instant volume and holds airy texture all day. This is sample size, but this is worth £3.66. It's 25 mils, and this is perfect for your handbag, perfect for travelling. You can just spritz it in on the go, add a bit of texture, boom, boom, boom. Next up, the final product, and I have raved about this product on my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, but this is the Vita Liberta Body Blur in the shade Latte. Now this is, I would say, one of those products that everybody needs to try to experience how nice it is. If you're tanned, Oh, you are gonna love this product so much. But this product, yes, it is quite dark for me, but when I have a tan on, or if I'm actually just going to cover myself in this and give myself an instant tan, it's perfect. But it's literally like foundation for the body. It makes your skin look flawless. It has a really slight shimmer to it, so it just makes you just look beautiful. If you're wearing like a nice dress and you want to add a little bit on your shins, if you're already tanned, it's stunning. If you want to add some on your arms, on your collarbone, anywhere that you're feeling like maybe you look a little bit uneven, it's literally perfect. This is full size, it's 100 mils and it's worth £29.50. I already love this product. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted this box, and that the girls at work obviously knew I wanted this box because I love this body blur already. So thanks. So that is it. That is everything in the Grazia. Like I said, this box is worth £244. It costs £50. I will leave everything linked down below, all the products, all the prices of how much they're worth if that's what you guys would like to see, and any discount codes that I have received in my box that you guys can use for any products that you want to purchase. If you like these kind of videos and you want to see more unboxings of the latest in beauty, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. All my social media links are down below. If you want to see any pictures, reviews, ongoing information about any of these products, then just follow me down below and subscribe to my channel if that's what you want to do. And I'll see you on the next one. Love ya!